use Stylebook's advanced edit tools, and I'm going to show you in particular with this jacket here. And I think it's a really great example because the edge of the jacket is non-existent. The highlight is just so blown out, it looks basically exactly the same as the background. And this is a great candidate to use reverse eraser. And I'm going to also show you how to use tap to erase and the regular eraser. Okay, so now I'm going to import it using the add from album import method, and you'll see here that the AI background removal worked immediately. However, the area of the sleeve that had no line of demarcation, there were no shadows, no visible piece of clothing there at all on the right hand side as I showed before, that area is erased and we want to restore that, and I'm going to show you how. So first you're going to press advanced edit on the bottom right. And you're going to get two options. We're going to choose edit original because we want the image to be restored to how it looked in the photo album, whereas edit current would allow us to just do small tweaks to its current version, but that's not what we want. So I'm going to select edit original. Okay, so now you can see we've got the full image here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use tap to erase, which is the option on the left hand side, which that basically allows you to tap areas of the same color to erase them. So as you can see, I got most of the background erased, but the sleeve still looks a little messed up. So what we're going to do is now do reverse eraser to restore areas of the sleeve that were erased. And since we don't actually know the edge of the sleeve because there's no visible edge, we'll just estimate what will make it. So I can zoom in by simply pinching. No matter what mode you're in, you can pinch and drag to kind of move it around. Then I'm going to use the reverse eraser, which is the little paintbrush, and I'm just going to restore what I think is the edge of the sleeve, because like I said, there's no actual visible edge, so we're just going to kind of make that up. And if you do a little too much, you can then do the regular eraser. Okay, so now, so I just made a mistake there. So you can undo by pressing the reverse arrow on the bottom right. And you can also go forward a change too with the other arrow. Okay, so I want to kind of clean this up, so I'm just going to use the regular eraser to sort of clean up the shadow. And this, you're not really going to have to do this hardly ever, but in this case, like I said, it's a very unusual photo because the highlight is just so blown out. It's just essentially erased the jacket itself. But this is a good demonstration of the advanced edit tools and how they can help you in these rare instances where the AI background removal just cannot see the edge of the clothing because we as humans can't see the edge of the clothing. Okay, so now I'm gonna just save that. And it looks pretty good. I think that's good enough. And now it's gonna add to my closet.